Dude, look at this.
Holy, there's no view at all.
Yeah, I know, right? It's so cool though.
Oh fuck. Okay, cool. Okay, I know what's happening. And then he was like, "Hey, it's a fine of 2,500 rand." And then I was like, "Okay, the bribe is coming." And I was like,
yeah.
Because I was about to give him $50, and then I was like, and then he said, "Oh, okay, cool. No, it's 300." And I was like, "The thing is, I can either fight these guys and say I'll give you 50 rand and get Mitchell's drone confiscated,
Yeah.
or be like, you know what? I'm just gonna draw 300 and be like, sick." So then I was like, "Okay, cool. Here you go." And then he was like, "No, we'll do it by the car." So I was like, "Okay, what do you mean?" Like, and then I was walking with him, and he was like, I was like, "Oh, at least you're 300 rand richer." And I was like, "Oh yeah." And I was like, "I like that I had to bribe you for this." And he was like, "Oh yeah." And I was like, "Cool." And he was like, "Have a good day." And then I was like, "Cool." And I left. It's like sick.
We went up to Signal Hill and we're just gonna shoot a little bit, get some video, get some photos, whatever. And we decided, you know, it kind of felt like nobody was really around. It felt, you know, we were alone.
pretty desolate.
I was like, I was like, there's nobody here, so
I know
we're good.
you can fly a drone there without getting caught.
Oh, yeah.
But I think
So-
it was just the time of the afternoon.
So we threw up the drone, right? And I think maybe 5 minutes later, or 2 minutes. It was
I had
fast.
3.5 minutes of recording time.
Okay, sick. So three and a half minutes later, I'd walked off a little bit, and these two security guards with a dog were coming around the corner. I was like, "Oh, here we go." And they started walking over towards me, and they asked me like, "Oh, is that your drone?" And I was like, straight up like, "No, it's his." And yeah, they came over and they told us to take the drone down, and they fined us. Good.
Yeah, they were gonna.
It was gonna be 2,500 or no, yeah, 2,500 rand, which is like, how much is that in American?
Dude, that's like 200.
It's like $200. So I mean, not a huge deal, but it's kind of a big deal. And then they were going to take the drone away as well, because you can't fly drones up there. But they seemed pretty chill, and we kind of worked it out, and he bribed them a little bit, and we got it for 500 and 300 rand, and that was that. But you know, it's a good start to the day.
Yeah.
We were at the South African camera store. Dude, what the heck? What are these? I love the lighting in here. I know. Look at all the drones. Look at this guy. Dude.
This is like almost just as good as the Movie Pro.
Almost
This
just
one's
as good.
6-7 grand.
Oh my gosh. That was easy. Did you get your film developed, bro?
How long costs the equivalent of like
Alone.
Talk about perfect timing, bro.
That is right there.
That was insane, man. You literally walked up.
As I was driving, I was like, if these guys are there, I'm not gonna get into my house.
That's
'cause they got my
hilarious,
key.
dude. You want to give
Sunset
me?
mission?
Sunset mission. I can join you.
You want to run up?
You guys walk.
We left the keys in the house though for you, so
Yeah, I love
you
that.
wouldn't
That's
be able
sick,
to
so
like.
I can't get in with the automatic locking door. You know?
Yeah.
I love it.
Wait, how do you? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, these.
Oh, these. Oh, these. This thing. Oh.